Welcome to Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? This is your go-to source for practical advice and support when considering if a divorce is the right answer for you. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll uncover a variety of topics such as child custody, property division, and self-care. Together, we'll explore the emotional, financial, and legal aspects of divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here is your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst Professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Welcome back to another episode of Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and certified divorce financial analyst professional. And today we are going to look at a topic that can provide financial security during a divorce, and that is using life insurance to protect spousal and child support. Now, divorce can be emotionally draining, as we know, but it also presents complex financial considerations. And what happens to spousal maintenance or child support payments if the supporting spouse dies unexpectedly? I mean, it's a terrible thing to think about. However, it's extremely important to those who are left behind. Now, life insurance can be a powerful tool to ensure that these really critical payments continue and offers peace of mind to both parties. Now, when we look at life insurance, there are two main ways life insurance can be used in a divorce settlement. One is maintaining existing policies. Existing life insurance policies might, be a marital asset subject to division. The beneficiary, who receives the payment, might need to be changed to reflect the divorce agreement. And then you might acquire new policies. The court order, might state that the supporting spouse needs to obtain a new life insurance policy with a death benefit sufficient to cover spousal maintenance or child support payments for a specific period. The ex-spouse receiving support would typically be named the beneficiary. So what are some benefits of using life insurance? Well, one, we get financial security. I mean, especially for the receiving spouse. Life insurance guarantees continued financial support, even if the ex-spouse dies prematurely. And this is especially important for stay-at-home parents or those who rely on spousal maintenance. There's also the peace of mind aspect where both parties can have a peace of mind knowing financial obligations will be met, even in the event of a tragedy. And then there's structured payments. Life insurance payouts can be structured to provide regular payments, mirroring spousal maintenance or child support schedules. So we got some important considerations as well. One is policy ownership. Who owns the life policy? If it's a new policy acquired for the divorce settlement, the supported spouse might have a say in the coverage amount and beneficiary designation. There's also premium payments. The divorce agreement should specify who's responsible for paying the premiums on their life insurance policy. And then we want to review the policy. I mean, it's really important to regularly review it, make sure it, remains adequate really for your child support and, needs or changes to alimony payments as well, spousal maintenance, spousal support type of stuff. So reviewing that's going to keep you in the know that everything's good. Now, we got some alternatives to life insurance, so when, while it is a powerful tool, it's not the only option. We can look at things like trust funds. A trust fund can be set up to hold assets that will provide ongoing support payments. There's also security deposits. I mean, the supporting spouse might be required to pay a large security deposit that would be used to continue payments if they die. So deciding on how to handle spousal maintenance and child support after divorce requires careful planning. You might want to consider consulting with a qualified divorce attorney and a financial advisor to see what your options are and see what you need to do or how you should do it to make sure that your future is secure. And they're going to be able to assess your specific situation, explain the legal implication of using life insurance, and help you navigate the best course of action. I want to thank you for joining me on this episode of Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? Should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out or drop me a comment. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Take care.